It is possible to convert Python code to Java, but it is not a straightforward process. There are a few tools and libraries available that can assist in the conversion, such as Jython and Jythonc. Jython is an implementation of Python that runs on the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, and it allows you to run Python code on a Java platform. Jythonc is a command line tool that can be used to convert Python code to Java bytecode. Another way to convert Python code to Java is by using a tool called Python to Java Translator, which is an open-source tool that can translate Python code to Java. However, it's important to note that the resulting Java code may not be perfect and may require additional manual modifications to work properly. It's also worth noting that while it is possible to convert Python code to Java, the two languages have different design philosophies and features, so it may not always make sense to convert code from one to the other. In summary, converting Python code to Java requires additional tools and libraries, and the resulting Java code may not be perfect and may require further modification to work properly.